this session, we are going to discuss a topic called Hasse diagram or a Hasse diagram. So this Hasse diagram is nothing but a diagram of the partial order. So in this diagram of the partial order, certain conventions should be maintained to construct the Hasse diagram. So that is, the first one is, there should be a cycle of length 1 in the Hasse diagram. And also the second one is, no need to exhibit the cycles explicitly here. And also, if any edges related like this, that is A is related to B and B is related to C, then no need to explicitly specify by drawing the edges from A to C. It's automatically understood. And no need to put any arrows in this diagram of the partial order. So there is no need to put the arrows in the edges. So this is the difference between the diagram of the relation and also the diagram of the Hasse diagram or Hasse diagram. Now I'm going to consider an example of Hasse diagram. So if I consider an example of this, x divides y, and for the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to define a relation. So for this condition, x divides y. So to construct the relation here, what are the three properties should be satisfied to construct this relation? First one is antisymmetric, and second one is the transitive, and third one is the reflexive. So reflexive means what? Vertex A, R belongs to the set A, and for all the values of x, this vertices has to be belongs to the set A. So that satisfies the reflexive property. And the second is antisymmetric. Antisymmetric means what? Where A, B is belongs to set A whenever B, A belongs to set A, and where A is equal to B. So that has to be satisfied in this antisymmetric property. And the last property to be satisfied for this relation is transitive. So what is transitive? If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then C is equal to A. So this property also, this has to be satisfied to construct this relation. So after constructing this relation, we need to draw a Hasse diagram. So for this given relation which we defined, for this condition x divides y, I am going to draw a Hasse diagram. So again, if I consider